jí fòwúrọ̀ mi jó.
A fi ògo fún Ọlọ́run Bàbá, a fi ògo fún Ọlọ́run Ọmọ, a fi ògo fún Ọlọ́run Ẹ̀mí Mímọ́.
I want you to know the Lord is on this mountain. Ọlọ́run nu omijé ọdún mọ́kànlá nù lójú wa. Ọlọ́run fi Bíólà ta wá lọ́rẹ. Please, I want you to know your prophet. Know your prophet. To every destiny, there is a prophet attached to you. The first time I knew mommy was when she came to Goshen to minister. And she shared her testimony. Mo dẹ̀ wò pé ta ni ẹni yìí tí wọ́n kún fún agbára ẹ̀mí mímọ́.
Ní ìrìn àjò yìí nígbà tí àwa sọ́dọ̀ àwọn mọ́mì ṣe mọ̀ pé à ń kánjú láti lọlé, and one of the reasons ta fi ń kánjú láti lọlé ni pé a sọ fún mi pé a jẹ gbèsè, that I don't have a job.
The Lord answers prayer in this mountain.
Kí ọmọ náà tó wáyé, the Lord paid the debt. Kí ọmọ náà tó wáyé, I got a job. So I am so grateful. I am so grateful.
Mommy stood by me. Mommy, I need no. Nǹkan báyìí ni mo tún rí, jẹ́ ká tún ṣe báyìí. Tí Ọlọ́run fi ṣe iṣẹ́ àṣepé tí a fi ní ẹ̀rí mi dé ní ọjọ́ tí ò ní.
Nobody was asking me, how are you feeling? I said, I am fine. He said, you are fine. I said, yes. I said, the only difference is I don't have a job at the moment and I feel concerned. He said, can you send me your CV? I was thinking I would be called for interview. I was called for a negotiation concerning salary.
Mo dúpẹ́, ẹ ṣé gan ma, ẹ ṣé mọ́mì, mo dúpẹ́ kó àdúró tì mí.
Ìpè yín dájú màmí. I thank you so much. I cannot thank you enough.
Ọ̀pọ̀mọ́ pọ̀ mí o, pọ̀ mí. Àpọ̀mọ́ máa wẹ̀yìn. Àpọ̀mọ́ máa wẹ̀yìn. Àpọ̀mọ́ máa wẹ̀yìn o. Má jẹ́ jábọ́. Má jẹ́ jábọ́. Àpọ̀mọ́ máa já lulẹ̀. Àpọ̀mọ́ máa já lulẹ̀. Àpọ̀mọ́ máa já lulẹ̀. Má jẹ́ jábọ́.